Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete drafts on TikTok. But before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So, to delete a draft on TikTok, you first need to open up your TikTok account. Let's say you don't have already a video recorded or saved, you just want to first do that. Let's do this. And now that I have that here, if I were to click on drafts, I will be able to see my draft. Now, nobody else can see your drafts, only you can see them, but if you want to delete them, click on it, click on the draft, long hold on the draft, click delete, and as you can see now the draft is gone. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having issues, let me know what was the problem down below in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.